Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We're indoors at the moment because it's very wet in France, but a couple of days ago we did manage to get out, and we went off to a favourite haunt of ours, Launay Lake, where a few of the other angling club members turned up as well. Anyway, before we go there, if you're not a member, or if you haven't subscribed to the channel, remember it's free. Please hit that button, and that always helps us to have more subscribers. And if you've got any comments, please send them to us. We always like to hear from you. Anyway, let's get down to the lake and let's see how the fishing went. Well, here we are, and Colin and myself have come down to Launay Lake. There's Colin down there. He's got Monty with him at the moment, and it's a busy old day. Over on the far bank there is Mr. Turner, the white van. Let's zoom in and show you him. There he is. Steve's already had a carp, and alongside him a young French lad somewhere along there, and he's had one as well, about 8 kilos, just as we turned up. And that's not the end of it, because down the far end we've got Roy and Tim there. Roy's just walking around to say hello to us. They've been fishing off the down wall, and you've just seen us we've had some casts. Colin's had a nice roach. Let's see what else we can get. Well, I'm in. Oh, I don't know. Feels like it could be.
Big roach.
Your world record if it is. I don't know. I haven't seen the thing yet. I can't believe it's that big. I don't know. The question is, will it actually fit in my net? Nice mirror carp. Oh, he's in the net.
No problem.
Yeah, that's a little bit bigger than I thought actually.
Nice one, isn't it?
Just very quickly hold him up for you. Lovely carp, 4 or 5 pounds, and we'll put him back in the water straight away. Yep. We're into another fish. There's only a little in this time. I think.
Better off concentrating on the food.
I don't know what this is.
No, not yet. Still setting up and messing about.
Oh. The tench.
Oh, good. Yeah.
You had some tench.
No, not yet. I've had a couple of bites that I thought were tench. Oh, keep persevering. That's a good size tench one here. There's normally this one.
Well, second fish of the day. Ooh, little tench. Lovely little fish. Let's get him back in the water. Well, I've had a couple of carp. Monty has now left me because he thinks Colin's a better bet, and he's right.
Watch the pole float.
Oh, I see. Hadn't been out there very long, had it?
No.
I think if you land them on it.
It's what, sorry?
If you land right on them.
Yeah.
Oh, let's put this down.
It's been the ones that be missing some scales. It's not very big.
It's not what, sorry?
It's not very big.
Is it not? Must be a fair size. Lively.
Yeah. It's not massive, is it?
No, the bend in your rod, I thought it was good. There's a snag or something. I thought that'd come off then. Let me net it.
Thank you.
It's about the size of that last one I had.
Yeah. Get out.
You might cook another one by chucking that back in.
Well, that would be okay, wouldn't it? No, mind.
Lovely, perfect little common, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely.
Well, all you need is his mother now.
Yeah.
Well, we've always hooked another fish. See if he lands it. And he's going for the net. And whilst he's doing that, I've now hooked one. Yeah. Just filming Roy landing a fish. And I've hooked one myself. It's on Paducah pellet again, but yeah, it doesn't feel. Every fish I've had on the pellet hasn't felt very big. It's all action. So Roy's just landed a fish. Oh, that's because it's a tench. Yeah, not very big one. Second tench of the day. There we are. Lovely little tench. Let's get him straight back. Plodding around in front of him at the moment. Going for the net. Colin's just had a nice fish of about 3-4 pounds.
Or 11 or 12 kilo. So I think what he's done is he's taken all the big or anything that was bigger than that, probably sold it on, or unless it's got another weight.
Stock pond where he was growing on. I think he puts in a load of tench each year, doesn't he? Tench to get bigger.
I think he's got 100 carp in here so far this year.
It's getting close. Just grab the camera. See if we can get Tim netting it. Well done, sir. Cast nicely, he'll hold it up for us. Be a bit careful when walking, I don't want to tread on the end of his pole tips. That's a really nice coloured fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's that, about £5 or £6?
Yeah.
Monty, come here. Come on. It's a lovely fish. Well done. Right, I'm going to get back and see if I can catch some more.
So say that's the thing, is you're getting to the size now where they're typical. Nice scratch.
Yep. Just as I looked away. No, it's maggot this time. It was a good fish. Oh no, it's not. I thought it was much bigger than this. Out of the way, dog. Colin carp this time. There he goes. Leave him alone. Oh, this time leave it. The common carp. You're not having him. Put him back. Well, Colin always draws a crowd. Got both me and Tim watching him there. He likes it because someone will act as ghillie, you see.
You know that I've not rushed to get his net.
No, I know, I noticed that. You can't tell with these. I hooked one and I thought it was really big. And when I came in, it was about £1.5 pounds. And it had gone off like an express train.
I've not lost any. I've lost a few fish down there, but
He's going for the net. It's bigger than you think, actually.
yeah.
Rain nonchalantly done that, wouldn't they? Look at that, you see.
There we go.
That's a good 5 plus, I reckon.
Yeah.
Little twitches, but nothing's picked it up.
Alright.
No, it's carp. Oh no, it must. No, it's not very big. Well, I didn't think it was. Well, it might be.
Proof the pallet.
Yeah. Well, I'll have to stand up, I think, to net it. There we go. Another little carp. That's on a hair rigged Paducah pellet.
Alright. What is it, carp?
Yeah, it's only about a pound maybe, perhaps a little bit more. Not much more though. Not as big as the first carp, but a beautiful little mirror. Anyways, just over a pound I should think. And that we had that on these Paducah pellets, a brown one. Right, let's put him back again. On bread. Well, there we go. We had a little tip.
Yeah.
So the owner throws bread in. Is it decent size?
Yeah, not too bad. About the same as the last one, I think.
Well, now they're very long, was it?
No.
Secret bait for the summer. We won't tell anyone.
Could be.
I was surprised the bread stayed on there because you gave it quite a whack out, didn't you?
Yeah, but it's generally okay when you put it on. I wouldn't expect it to come back really.
Ooh, he's a bit more lively than you thought, isn't he?
Yeah.
It's a good test. Well done. Lovely colours on their fins, aren't they, these?
Aren't they? Yeah.
Let's walk around and have a look at him. He's struggling. Well, if that's the last fish of the day, it's not a bad one to finish on, is it?
Well, we'll put some more bread on and have another go, I think.
Did you hair rig it?
Yeah.
Can you pick it up?
There we go. Oh, or not. Put it back in.
Yeah, we just about got that. Well, we've had a cracking day's fishing. I had more fish in the morning, Colin had more in the afternoon, and we'll definitely be coming back here again. But it's time to go home to have some tea. The dog's filthy dirty and I'll have to go home and have a wash, and we'll catch you all next time. Cheerio.